Nisha. Today I am going to read lesson number 2.1. The Mouse Merchant. Once a rich merchant was holding his wages, and I gave him so much money to start a business, and yet you have not done anything. You are good for nothing. Look at this dead mouse. A capable man can start a business even with something as useless as this. Somrata, who was a poor orphan, heard his words seriously and requested the merchant, please leave me this mouse as a capital, and I will try my luck. The merchant was out laughing, but still he gave the mouse to Somrata and told the receipt that Somrata brought out to him. Somrata was opening the receipt with the red mouse in his hand. When another soldier called him, come here, boy, and gave the mouse to fill my cat. I will give you 2 handfuls of that. Somrata accepted the gram. I told Somrata roasted the gram well. Then he took a pitcher of water and stood at the crossroad with his gram and the water he waited for a long time. In the evening, when the laborers were returning from the wood, they saw the boy with roast gram and water. Somrata folded the gram and water politely. But we have no money to stick, so food is all we can do. That's a good payment for this simple fare. Exclaimed Somrata by escaping the sticks from each labor. Somrata collected a small bundle of sticks. He took the bundle to the market store and brought some more around with it. Somrata did this every day. He becomes very one of the labor says, nice boy who offered tasty and refreshing water just for a couple of sticks. Many always get to buy his gram every day. On their way back from the woods, Somrata got several bundles of sticks every day. Because now he had so many customers. Once when Somrata was selling sticks in the market, he met a porter who needed wood to burn in his furnace. In return for the sticks he gave Somrata post for his gram and a few pitchers of the water. Somrata did not waste any money. He would have to sell wood in the morning and the gram in the evening. One day he had enough money to buy all the wood from the laborers. He sold it at a good price in the market. After some time, he even stayed a position in the market. He was always polite to his customers. Some of them paid him cash, but the others paid him in kind. They gave others whatever articles they could. Of others, Somrata always found some way of selling the articles to those who needed them. After a few years, Somrata became a weather merchant in the town. One day he asked a goldsmith to make him a small golden mouse to the mouse to the rich merchant. He had a broad mouse, dead mouse from US capital many years ago. Today I have come to return it. Please escape this golden mouse. The rich merchant was greatly surprised. He had a beautiful and intelligent daughter. She was so impressed with Somrata's business skills that she asked her father if she could marry him and greatly trust Somrata, who was a poor orphan but earned many and received to it his intelligence, hard work and politeness. It is not known whether the rich man's son returned any of the scale from Somrata. Thank you.